Good morning. It's time for a night drive in the Camaro. This is an especially cool one just because of all the orange accents. It really pops. This interior absolutely explodes with color. It's awesome. Alright, let's go. We're in a parking structure. You'll get a chance to hear the V8 just a little bit more. Let's roll down the windows.
Demonstration mode. Connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the OnStar button to perform.
It's a little bit of a chilly morning, so we have our tire temperature sensor turned on the gauged cluster. I've really enjoyed driving this Camaro this week. This thing is a blast. Good to have a nice, quick, fun handling, fun to drive, throaty muscle car. I would say, besides the fact that the visibility is pretty limited out of the back, this is a pretty livable sports car. My solution to visibility in sports cars is always to put those little fisheye mirrors on the mirrors. Those little circular fisheye mirrors work really well for eliminating blind spots. And if I own one of these, that would be my solution. And they're like $3 at AutoZone. This thing absolutely rips though. I haven't mentioned that it has a heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats, really nice features in Michigan. Great for the winter. You can throw some big old winter tires on this and drive this in the snow if you wanted to. Not that I'm sure many owners will, but it's definitely an option. Weather, these Goodyear Eagle F1 tires do a pretty good job staying sticky. Of course, I've been warming them up for about 20 minutes. Pretty wicked. Hopefully you guys are wearing headphones for this one. This is a good video for binaural audio. Just the difference between, you can hear the engine and the induction and the scream from the exhaust out the back. This is a really great exhaust system. No drone, just good noises. I love the steering wheel on this new Camaro. The flat bottom feels really nice. It's a little bit smaller of a wheel, so the car feels a little bit more agile. And the fact that it's wrapped in Alcantara is always very welcome. Also, this car has about 7,000 to 8,000 hard-driven press miles on it. And the wheel, the Alcantara, the materials, everything has held up really quite well. So that's a plus, is that it's not going to wear out super fast. I like all the functions in the performance display. Got your G meter. Let's test that out. That actually might be kind of fun. Back there hit 0.88 G. So what do I think about this Hot Wheels edition? I think it's a little bit silly, but it's fun, and I appreciate that it's fun. It's a, this is the kind of car that, as a dad, you could buy and 100% get your kid's approval. You could have the little version, you could have the big version, and as a result, you would just completely turn him into a car enthusiast for life because of your Hot Wheels edition Camaro. And for that reason, I think it's pretty cool. I was giving a ride in this last night, and the guy who I was giving the ride to was like, "Oh man, my son's gonna be so jealous. He would love this thing." And that's kind of what it's all about with this Hot Wheels edition, I think. It's to satisfy the inner and the outer kid. And for that, I think it does a good job. This Orange Crush color is absolutely stunning in person. It really, really pops. Alright, let's get back onto the highway. Pretty high marks for the new Camaro. This is a great platform. I appreciate that Chevy really didn't mess with a whole lot. The last Camaro platform was really good too. I mean, really, I think the last Camaro that I was in was the 45th anniversary edition, and it was white, it was a convertible, it had those nice big wheels. It's on the Windy Road channel, and I was even impressed with how well that thing performed. And this new generation is just a step up from that. The magnetic ride control is fantastic. You can feel it stiffen up a little bit between the different modes, but it does a really good job controlling body motion and really just making the car feel very, very comfortable, very livable, and very confidence-inspiring around the corners and on a daily basis. We've got some pretty bad roads here in Michigan, and it does a nice job soaking up the bumps. This is a good sports car for Michigan, just because it's got a lot of luxurious amenities: heated steering wheel, heated seats, defrosters on all the mirrors and windows, back window. And I'm sure all the noise over bumps is pretty much mostly due to the run flat tires. Those are easy to change out. It's not a big deal. Pretty great car though. I think the visibility issue can really be solved with a simple fisheye mirror. Granted, the mirrors that they give you aren't very big, but you could squeeze one up in the corner there, and I think that would do you just fine. Other than that though, not a lot of complaints with this car. Pretty fun. If you want a Camaro, go get yourself a Camaro. They're not even that expensive. You can get one a year or two old that's in the 30s easily. And with employee pricing and incentives and discounts and stuff, this is a $50,000 car, but I doubt many people would really pay $50,000 for this. comes down to it. So anyway, guys, it's been a fun week in this. We got some more coming for you soon. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, but if not, we'll see you guys next time. Take care.